Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and very good morning to all of you. In today's video, we will learn about parts of speech, which is basically the foundation of English grammar. You should be aware of this fact that the parts of speech is the foundation of English grammar. In today's video, we will learn what exactly is parts of speech and what are the different types of parts of speech. Parts of speech, as you know, that every sentence is made up of group of words. These words are of different types. These words are of different types based on their usage in a sentence. Let me give you an example to understand in a better way. Adil is a good boy. Adil is a good boy. Here you can see this is a sentence which is made up of many words based on usage. They are categorized into different types. If you can see in this sentence, the sentence is made up of group of words. Exactly there are 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है. If you can see Adil, what is Adil? If we can see the types of the words that are based on the usage. Adil is used in this sentence as a noun. क्योंकि हमने ये पिछले क्लास में भी पढ़ा है. इज जो है दैट्स अ वर्ब, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, जैसे कि आप जानते हो. एज जो है ये आर्टिकल है, ठीक है. बट यहाँ पे एज जो है ये एज एन ए जो है यहाँ पे आर्टिकल यूज हुआ है, मगर कभी कभार सेंटेंस में ये एज एन एडजेक्टिव यूज होता है. गुड जो है वो व्हाट इज दिस? गुड, it's an adjective. So article, adjective. Boy, what is boy? Boy is also a noun. So we can see that in a sentence the different words have been used based on their usage. Now coming to the types of speech, I hope that कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच किससे बोलते हैं. मैं फिर भी रिपीट करूँगा कि आप जैसे कि जानते हो कि सेंटेंस जो है ये वर्डों से बना हुआ होता है, जिसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन देयर यूजेज. कि एक एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे आपके सामने रखी. आदिल इज़ ए गुड बॉय. इसमें हमने देखा कि जो सेंटेंस है इसमें 5 वर्ड्स है और हर एक का अलग अलग अपना काम है. जैसे आदिल है ये नाउन है, इज़ है वर्ब है, ए आर्टिकल है, गुड है एडजेक्टिव, बॉय नाउन है. ठीक है, तो आगे बढ़ेंगे हम. टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीच. As we know that there are 8 types of parts of speech that are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. ठीक है, ये 8 parts of speech है. आज की वीडियो में हम 4 पढ़ेंगे और इंशाल्लाह इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will discuss the rest 4. The first one is noun. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा नाउन किससे बोलते हैं. ठीक है, a noun is a word used as a name of person, place, thing and idea. Person means किसी शख्स का नाम, जगह का नाम, चीज़ का नाम एंड किसी आइडिया का नाम. जैसे कि पर्सन विराट कोहली लीजिए आप, प्लेस श्रीनगर लीजिए आप, थिंग ग्रामर बुक लीजिए आप, आइडिया लव लीजिए आप. These are the examples of person, place, thing and idea. यहाँ पे मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं. विराट कोहली इज ए ग्रेट प्लेयर. Virat Kohli is a great player.
If you can see here, the Virat Kohli is a name of the person. Player, it is also name of the
person. If you can see, both comes in a category of persons, so they are noun. In another example, Srinagar is a beautiful city. Srinagar and city both comes in a category of place. Okay, honesty is a best policy. Honesty is a best policy. Honesty and policy both comes in a category of idea.
honesty and policy. Both
These words comes in a category of idea. Okay. Coming to the next one is, that's pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. But you might be thinking, when we have already a noun, why we need pronoun? Let me give you an example in order to understand this in a better way. For example, Arif is a boy. Arif is in 8th standard. Arif likes to play. यहाँ पे मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है. Arif is a boy. Arif is in 8th standard. Arif likes to play. Okay. We have used the word Arif 3 times. That actually makes this sentence very hard to read. ठीक है, 3 बार हमने आरिफ का यहाँ पे जिक्र किया है और इसकी वजह से जो इस सेंटेंस में हमें बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है कि इसको रीड करना. Instead of using noun Arif for the second time or for the third time, we can use the pronoun he. You can see in this example, Arif is a boy. He is in 8th standard. He likes to play. Okay. Now we can easily see the difference in writing and reading in this sentence as compared to the previous sentence. जो मैंने यहाँ पे 2 सेंटेंस जो है अलग अलग दिए हैं. Arif is a boy. Arif is in 8th standard. Arif likes to play. Arif is a boy. He is in 8th standard. He likes to play. जो सेकंड वन सेंटेंस है, ये पढ़ने में और लिखने में हमें आसान हो जाता है एज कंपेयर टू द अबो सेंटेंस. ठीक है. एंड कमिंग टू द थर्ड वन, दैट इज वर्ब. द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच दैट इज वर्ब. व्हाट इज वर्ब? वर्ब इज अ वर्ड that is used to express an action and state of a subject. Action words like play, dance, swim, these are the action words. And the state of the subject is feel, doubt, appear. Also to be, like the forms of to be, is, and, are, was, there. Or the stative verb which defines the state of being. Okay. I have given the examples of verbs, that is, she danced on stage. Danced here is an action word. Jaipur is a pink city. If you can see, is here is a state of is a stative verb. It is a stative verb. And in a third sentence, if you can see, he feels happy today. Here, feels is a stative verb. Okay. And coming to the fourth one, that is adjective. Adjective is basically a word used to describe the noun or pronoun, which describes something about the noun and pronoun. That is called adjective. For example, मैंने यहाँ पे example दिए. He is a boy. He is a boy. In this sentence, you can see, we are not describing anything about boy. In this sentence, you can see, he is a boy, which is he's a boy. We are not describing anything about this boy. Let me rewrite this sentence with a description. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Here, good. It describes about the quality of a boy, that he is a good. Is a good. That means good here is an adjective. The second example I have given, that is, they lived in a beautiful house. They lived in a beautiful house. Here, beautiful describes about the quality of a house. The quality of a house. That the house is very beautiful. House is very beautiful. So this was all about today's video. In next video we will be discussing another four parts of the speech, whether that is a verb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Till then, Buddha Hafiz.